Good afternoon, boys and girls. I'm Miss Graham, and I'm going to talk to you today about the topic that we'll be talking about during our class today. Today we will exhibit empathy with and tolerance for diverse ideas by engaging in informed conversations and active debates. So we will do this by gathering information about the ocean. It's important for you to gather this information or any other information so you as learners can practice having educational conversations and constructive debates. So while we're doing this day, we're going to find ways that we can talk with each other and share information that we have gathered and do it in a way that is helping us grow as learners as well as our peers grow as learners as well. So we are going to go through these resources that I have for you, and during these resources I'm just going to briefly go through them, and then we'll talk about our discussion question. So the first one is National Geographic, and so when you pull this up, it will take you to the National Geographic Kids website. And within this website, you can look at the different animals. Specifically for us, we would be looking for animals that live in the ocean. So we could unclick all of the animals that, you could have Arctic animals or Arctic ocean animals, but we're just going to look at ocean animals. So that leaves us with fish, invertebrates, mammals, and see what we can come up with. So then, and then we can sort by popularity. And then we'll click on this link, and it shows us reptiles, amphibians, birds, mammals, fish. And so popular mammals that might live in the ocean is a blue whale. So you would click on the blue whale and read through it and see which what information you could gather about the blue whale living in the ocean. It has some videos. It's got the names of them, their weight, their length, and then you could go more into some other ocean animals as well. So that's National Geographic. Then we have Ocean Animal Encyclopedia. And here you have all different kinds of areas and subjects you could look under. So if we want to look at sea turtles and reptiles, we would click on that. And it would bring us to the different types of sea turtles and reptiles within the ocean, which allows you to read about those animals. We have Oceans and Marine Life Science. So we can read through here to see that the ocean covers 70% of Earth's surface, and just different facts about the ocean, why the ocean matters, and there's another video, and different facts about animals as well. We also have ocean pollution facts. So in here we can read about the interesting facts about the ocean pollution, and what's causing the ocean to be polluted. Maybe you can find some information that goes with our discussion question that we will talk about. We have global marine litter, so kids against marine litter, so littering in the ocean. What can we do to stop that? How can we be more helpful? Different ways, different things you can read about here on this website about water pollution and ways to save the oceans. We have Earth's oceans, so all about oceans and seas. This tells you why the ocean is salty, what causes tidal waves, The water cycle, ocean animal printouts, you probably won't need that one during this. What causes tides? Why is the ocean blue? Here's an introduction, and it tells you about the different oceans as well. Then we also have sea animals for kids. So you can look at the different sea animals, watch videos, there's different activities. If you click on the starfish, it'll take you and talk to you about the starfish and give you its facts as well. And then you can move on to the next article or go to the previous article looking for your information. This is about the coral reef. It tells you its location, the habitat, plants, animals, people. So what maybe you could read here about coral reefs and how they're helpful. Maybe it tells you ways that we can help save the coral reefs. So be looking for that because coral reefs are part of the ocean life. This website, Fish and Kids, gives us lots of information about how to save the oceans. It will pull up. So here we go. We have Fish and Kids. So what does the sea need? Why does the sea need our help? Again, there's some videos that you can look at, and maybe you can find some information here. You can look at the marine glossary to help look up different meanings of words. And then we have protecting our oceans. And on this website, it will also give you ways to look up how to protect our oceans and what we can do. Again, there's a video that you can watch to help you get information for our discussion question, which we will go look at now. So, your discussion question for today, as you're navigating through these resources, which we will discuss. So we've looked through these resources, and so now you want to be sure that you look for ways to answer this discussion question. How can we do a better job of saving ocean animals? So look through the different resources, look at all the different ocean animals, read about the different ocean animals, and then look at some of the websites to find ways to do a better job of saving those ocean animals that you read about. Remember, we are going to be having conversations with our other peers and with people in your group, and we're going to have a constructive debate. So we are going to be working together. If you disagree, we will talk about those ways to politely disagree. So let's get started. Remember, you are looking through these 10 resources that I've given to you. Take time to read through them, find your information, and then we will meet back to talk about the information that you have found. Thank you.